Hey there friends, artist Denise here, and I'm going to be talking to you about reducing, reusing, and recycling in a whole new light. That's right, in this class, it's time to learn how to take some of those sustainable, recyclable, reusable waste products and turn them into awesome and amazing art pieces. Most people think that when you talk about recycling, that just means taking out the trash. Here, we take that trash and we find a new and fun way to reuse it. Like the saying goes, one man's trash is another man's treasure. Here you can turn your recyclables, found objects, and even your family's household items into precious art. Make fun, sustainable fashion accessories, water bottle hanging planters, CD suncatchers, an egg carton masquerade, and more. With the Recycled Art Workshop, students will develop an appreciation for used materials, learn about recycling and sustainability, and further their understanding of helping the planet. So friends, it's time to collect your bounties of fun. Grab those paper towel rolls, collect all those newspapers, bring forth the egg cartons, and let's create some amazing art pieces that not only reflect your imagination, but also allow you to help save the planet by the power of reusing and recycling.